Let's take a look at number 19. And we'll do it on the calculator first, and then we'll do it by hand. It says evaluate the expression. They want us to add two matrices together. Well, first thing we need to do is enter those matrices in. So I come over to my calculator. I'm still in graph mode, so I'm going to do a second mode to exit out. And to go into the matrix menu on my calculator, do second x and negative 1. And I'll do that every time I say go into the matrix menu. That's what I mean. On a T83, they actually have a matrix button. Just a T83, not a T83 plus. So I'm going to left arrow over to edit, press enter on it. And when I say enter, A is already highlighted. And this is a 3 by 3. So 3 enter, 3 enter. And negative 5, 1. So negative 5, enter, 1, enter. Negative 9, enter. Negative 8, enter. Negative 3, enter. Negative 1, enter. Negative 6, enter. Negative 4, enter. And negative 2, enter. Now after you get that matrix entered in, be sure to exit out, so do a second mode. Go back in your matrix menu. So I'm going to do second x and negative 1. That's actually your inverse button, not your x and negative 1. Left arrow over to edit, and then down arrow and highlight B and press enter on it. And then 3 enter, 3 enter. It's a rows by columns, 3 by 3. And we got negative 8, enter. Negative 5, enter. Negative 4, enter. We got negative 2, enter. Negative 6, enter. Negative 1, enter. Negative 3, enter. Negative 7, enter. And 1 enter. And again, once you get that done, do a second mode to exit out. Now we want to add these two together, so I'm going to go back in the matrix menu, second x and negative 1. I'm under the names, and you see how the A is already highlighted, so press enter on A. Plus, go back in the matrix menu, second x and negative 1, down arrow to B, and press enter on it, and then enter again. And let's see which one this matches. Negative 13, negative 4, negative 13. It's either A or D. Negative 10, negative 9, negative 2, negative 9, negative 11, negative 1. Looks like D is in David. So 19D is our answer. And which checks down there? Well, let's do this by hand now. So go over my tablet here. And we're going to add together A, which is negative 5, 1, negative 9, negative 8, negative 3, and negative 1, negative 6, negative 4, negative 2, and we want to add our other matrix, which is negative 8, negative 5, negative 4, negative 2, negative 6, negative 1, negative 3, negative 7, and 1. What we do when we're adding together matrices is we add together the corresponding entries. So I got negative 5, negative 8. I got 1 minus 5, negative 9 minus 4. I got negative 8, negative 2, negative 3, negative 6. Negative 1, negative 1. Negative 6, negative 3. Negative 4, negative 7. And negative 2 plus 1. Well, negative 5, negative 8 is negative 13. 1 minus 5 is negative 4. Negative 9, negative 4 is negative 13. Negative 8, negative 10, or negative 8, negative 2 is negative 10. Negative 3, negative 6 is negative 9. Negative 1 is negative 2. Negative 6, negative 3 is negative 9, negative 11, and negative 1, assuming I added everything correctly. Negative 3, okay, negative 10, negative 9, negative 9. Yeah, D is in David would be our answer.